Rumors are spreading on social media that media personality Thando Thabethe may be engaged to sports broadcaster Robert Mawara, but instead of congratulations, the alleged news has sparked intense debate online, largely due to commentary from a controversial entertainment blogger Musa Khawula. Musa questioned the public reaction to the alleged engagement and suggested that people are focusing too much on financial status rather than personal choice, while also claiming that he does not understand what attracts so many high-profile women to Robert Mawara. He referenced Thando's past relationships, including her time with actor Lunga, stating that he believes those relationships were affected by financial and personal pressures, which ultimately led to their endings. Musa also raised doubts about whether Thando and Robert's alleged engagement will stand the test of time, pointing to what he believes is a pattern in Thando's dating history. However, with no confirmation from either Thando Thabethe or Robert Mawara, the story remains based on speculation, leaving fans and critics divided, with some arguing that love outweighs material wealth, while others believe financial stability plays a significant role in long-term relationships, making this rumor less about engagement and more about how society judges love, success, and celebrity relationships.